Motors are devices that turn electricity into rotational movement. When talking about motors, there's two main numbers, your RPM and your torque. Your RPM is the speed of the motor, while your torque is how much power it has. A gearbox is a tool that trades RPM for torque. For a more detailed installation guide, check out this video. We're currently working on our own video guide, by the way. The number that's on the gearbox is the number you're multiplying by. So in this case, we have multiplied our torque by 3. If we add another gearbox, here we can see that we have multiplied by 12, since 3 times 4 equals 12. When looking at your motor, you will see a few different wires. They do two main jobs, div power and div information. The first are your red and black positive and negative wires. They carry the electricity that makes the motor spin and acts as the motor's muscle. The colorful encoder wires, however, carry the information, like how fast it's going and how far the motor should turn. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. The translation document is linked below in the description, as well as in our bio. Please fill out the feedback and video request form too. Thanks for watching.